Well, everyone, I've been using my iPhone 15 Pro for about 21 months now, which is actually pretty insane. So I wanted to kind of show you all how it's been holding up the last 21 months in terms of the battery life. So this is my go-to phone. This is the phone that I do every single thing with when I travel, whenever I do anything, and this is the phone that I use. Now, I'm going to show you the battery health, so let me just get into it. If I go inside of my iPhone settings right here, if I scroll down into battery, which is right here, if I go and click on battery health, which is right here, you can see that my battery health right now is about 90%. So that's a 90% battery capacity, which honestly isn't as terrible as I thought it was going to be. Keep in mind, I don't baby this phone whatsoever. I leave it in hot conditions, cold conditions. I, overheat this thing like crazy all the time. I am not careful with this thing. I do have optimized battery charging enabled, I think. So if I click here, I do have optimized battery charging enabled. That's the only thing. Otherwise, I don't have the 80% limit. I use clean energy charging, but you can keep it on or off. And I think that's a pretty average number. Like, that's not really like extraordinary. If you're trying to keep it at 100% forever, that's not really going to work. 90%, I would say anywhere from like 3 to 5% a year is pretty normal. We're coming about that 2-year time frame. So the fact that we're basically at 90% now is pretty on average to what I'd expect. So I do think that right there is kind of one thing to keep in mind. Beyond that though, I think an iPhone 15 Pro, with its battery life, with everything I've done with it so far, it's been very stable. I've had a very good time with it. There's been very few moments where I would look at this phone and this battery life and I thought to myself, oh, this battery life's not good anymore, it's not great. I haven't really had that experience in a while, and I feel like this type of battery life has been really good. So 90% after about almost 2 years is pretty good. I would say it's really not that bad. And I do think this in and of itself is actually a really good thing going on for this phone too. The performance of this phone is still very good. The experience I've had with this phone so far has been very solid as well. So in terms of that, that's kind of my battery health as of this point. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.